Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we decode corporate filings. Today we are diving into a Form 8K from SHF Holdings. After reading this, you might want to hold on to your hats because it's a wild ride of shareholder letters and, well, let's just say it gets interesting. This report from SHF Holdings includes a letter to stockholders, so it seems like they're trying to communicate directly about important company information. We will check it out now. Okay, so back in March 2025, SHF Holdings put out a press release with a letter addressed to its stockholders, that is, people who own the company stocks. It's common for companies to do this when they want to explain something important or try to put a positive spin on recent news. Scroll United. First, let's quickly establish what exactly it is we're looking at. This is a Form 8K, a current report filed with the Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC. It's basically a company's way of saying, hey, something important happened and we need to tell you about it. The report is for SHF Holdings, incorporated in Delaware. Their file number is 1 to 40,524 and their main office is in Golden, Colorado. The report is dated March 11, 2025. Scroll exact. Name of registrant as specified in its charter/scroll. The official name is SHF Holdings, Inc., and this Form 8K was officially filed March 11, 2025. Scroll title of each class/scroll. They have Class A common stock, trading under the symbol SHFS, and redeemable warrants under SHFSW, both listed on the Nasdaq stock market. Basically, these are the different types of stocks and related investment options that people can buy or trade in SHF Holdings. Also, SHF Holdings considers itself an emerging growth company. This means they get some leeway or extra time in following new accounting rules. This can be good for them because it allows them to focus on growing without the immediate pressure of strict regulations, but it also means we, as viewers and potential investors, need to remember they might not be using all the newest accounting standards. Scroll item 7.01, Regulation FD Disclosure/scroll. Now let's dig into this big news that prompted the report. Item 7.01 is where they talk about what's happening, and it points us to Exhibit 99.1, that is the letter to stockholders. This letter is their way of communicating to the public. So what does this letter to stockholders actually say? Well, that's what we're all here to find out. Unfortunately, we don't have the actual letter here. It's in Exhibit 99.1, which is a separate document, but we can find out a bit about what's going on. Now for my take on SHF Holdings. It's hard to give a solid assessment without seeing the full shareholder letter, but by putting out this Form 8K, SHF is signaling something material happened. The fact that they include a letter to stockholders is an indication that they're trying to manage the message and keep investors informed. The fact they consider themselves an emerging growth company gives them certain leeway. However, it is also a signal to keep an eye on their development and how they are managing risk. This Form 8K raises more questions than it answers, so I would definitely advise caution until we can get some additional data. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more Corporate Decoder content.